Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 budget-friendly tips to make over a small space in your apartment or in your home. Today I'm actually going to be doing a living room, but you can definitely take these tips and apply them to any room in your home. Now, this would be perfect for a student going to college and they got hand-me-down furniture or purchased something secondhand and you don't necessarily want to invest a whole lot, or if you're just looking to spruce up your space and not spend a ton of money doing so. So here is my first tip. Change all of your accent pieces. Now what I did was I shopped the clearance racks at TJ Maxx. I got this Ralph Lauren pillow for $3 and it is actually a down stuffed pillow. And I thought that was an amazing deal. I did not need the pillow cover because I'd actually bought some other ones at Hobby Lobby on clearance for $2 each. And I thought this was such an amazing deal and it was such a great pillow to go on the inside of it. I did not have to go out and purchase this Euro pillow because I had purchased it for $3 at TJ Maxx, and if I had purchased it elsewhere it would have been a lot more expensive. So that is my first tip. Buy pieces that you can reuse, and you can always change out the look of your space by using a pillow cover. And I wanted a boho chic theme for this because she had already had an ivory colored sofa that she did not want to get rid of, simply because she's getting ready to purchase a home and she didn't want to invest in like all new furniture knowing that she would need a larger scale furniture set once she gets into her home. So that looked really cute. I love that boho chic theme. I love the indigo blue. And it looks so wonderful against the other pillows. And what I did was, she had already had pillows on the sofa, so I just used the new pillow covers that I purchased from Hobby Lobby and incorporated the pillows she already had. The one I purchased from TJ Maxx was just because I needed additional pillows. So as you can see, I have transformed just the look of the entire sofa area by adding new pillows. And again, all of these were purchased on clearance at TJ Maxx, and I spent less than $25 just in pillows alone, in pillow covers. And you guys know that is an amazing deal. And I absolutely love that the texture, I mixed the colors, I mixed the patterns, and you can really play around to get a very phenomenal look with that. Also, on the coffee table, I removed a piece that she had and I added a blue vase that I got from it wasn't at home, it was Home Goods. I got it from Home Goods, and I also paired it with 3 wall paintings that I got from Hobby Lobby, and we'll talk about them a little bit more. Now the flowers and the sticks she already had from a previous centerpiece, so I just kind of incorporated them into the blue vase in order to give that all around look. Purchasing wall art to cover a large wall can get quite expensive. So one of the ways that you can save on that and still get the impact of having that entire wall coverage is to buy multiple pieces in mirrors or in artwork. I got all 3 of these at Hobby Lobby for less than $60-something, and I thought it made a major impact and it definitely brought her space together. One of the other things that I did to bring her space together was to purchase a new rug. Now Tuesday morning is an excellent place to purchase rugs and throws because you can get really high quality pieces at rock bottom prices. I think this rug was less than $100 and the throw was $19.99. So for this entire space makeover, I spent less than $300, and it made such a dramatic impact on her space. I was able to use all the furniture she had in place before. I just brought in a few accent pieces to just kind of make the room be more fluid. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Here's another look at the before, and I just wanted to remind you guys she used very dark colors, and it just really because the room didn't have a lot of light in it, it really made it look super dark. Other than the door that you see on the side, it looked really, really dark, and it just didn't have the life that she wanted in that space with the reds. I mean, red is a very, very bold color to decorate with. And then here is the after. I always try to bring you content that nobody else is doing, and one of the things I wanted to do was incorporate some different styles. Now this is very different from my own personal style. I'm not sure if it's boho chic or modern or what, so you guys let me know down in the comments, what style do you think this is? And so there you guys have it. 3 simple ways to transform a small space in your home or your apartment. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, let me know which aspect you like most down in the comments below. If you want to see more videos, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. That way I know that you guys enjoy this content. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!